perform a small drama about economic inequality. We are going to introduce about what are developing countries, backward countries and developed countries. Let's watch it.
Those children are going to that building. Why those children that go to that building? What is in that building?
Yes, Ramu, stop it. I'm so hungry. I want to send the plate paper to the garbage.
Oh, please come. I am so tired and I'm so hungry. The sun over the head. Come fast.
Come quick, come quick.
Oh, Ruby. Come. I am hungry today. Come fast.
What do you want?
Uncle, please give me 1 rupee biscuit.
There is nothing to give for you. 1 rupee item.
Please, uncle.
Okay. Take it and get lost from here and don't come again.
Come quick.
No, you get more biscuit.
Yes, both are get my biscuit.
See my biscuit? You get more biscuit. Give me.
No, I am also got same quantity of
No,
biscuit.
you get more biscuit. Please give me. You cannot. Give me. No, you get more biscuit.
In developing country, what situation was there? Children, you are all desire to go to school.
Yes, I want to go to school, but nobody has to come helping to school.
Don't worry, I am admitting to school. I am getting knowledge from me. Come.
Okay.
Sit down. Now let's start about Sakshatkara Bharat. First, Sakshatkara Bharat. You all believe the superstitions, but not believe the superstitions. In astronomers world, who are able talk about the future events that called astronomers. You are a very poor people and very innocent people. You are not think what is good and what is right or what is wrong. You are that people were cheated you and nobody was believe the astronomers.
We don't believe superstitions for no one else today.
Okay, now you are in backward countries today. Others are getting improved in developing countries.
I think you get the awareness of that superstitions.
In developed countries. They say here.
Hey, look here. This acid is this acid for use.
They give nitric acid.
Take this.
Quick.
Hey, give me the sulfuric acid.
Hey, here solution. We succeed. Hooray.
Wow. When you walked around almost any city or different sizes of houses and different types of cars and different activities occurring. This indicates can be called as economic inequality. In developing countries, it is the first category of economic. It includes that high per capita income and it is more industrialized. In developing countries, it is the second economic category. It has less per capita income and less industrialized. In backward countries, it is the third economic category. It has lowest income with general per capita income. The present day world has the big issue of economic inequality among its nations. This situation is partially a historical legacy of colonialism and exploitation. European powers have established their powers in Asia, Africa and even in Latin American countries. Owing to this, the policy of imperialism that those countries suffered from colonial rule have remained economically backward. The progress has been ample till the first of the 20th century, and after independence, those countries, especially in Africa and Asia, trying to develop.
We lack of sufficient capital to develop agriculture, transport, industry, communication, science education, health, etc. We are forced to depend on foreign aid.
After 1945, in the bipolar world, American bloc and the Russian communist bloc started assisting these backward countries. But at the same time, the advanced countries have exploited the situation of economic equality to promote their national interests.
Come here. Take this one lawyers to you.
Really? You helped to us?
Yes, I have your developer country. We were helping to you. Thank you. Thank you. In this situation, India answered the policy of non-alignment.
India advocated the economic assistance to the needy countries of rich nations without any tax. Thus, India as cause of national pride of economically weak. But at the same time, India has pursued to develop smooth capital investment of official countries. In economic development, India has non-imperialism of America and other countries who could exploit the poor nation of people.
The very concept of third world indicates that underdeveloped countries. We strive to free ourselves from the shortage of food, capital, technology, medical facilities, lack of higher education, and etc. Likewise, international trade policy like the dumping free trade, uneducation, competition, and the globalization adversely affect the poor nation.
In order to set right the situations of economic inequality among the nations, the UNO and all the advanced nations have to respond positively. India is one of the emerging nations has always economic justice.
Stop exploitation to the poor people. Thank you.